In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip titles in Curse Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to browse through all of the titles available in Curse Arena and how to switch between them. So all that you have to do to browse through all of the titles that you have available for your character is to go over to this little hat icon. So between the gift option and the settings, click on this little hat icon and you will find three main options: accessories, titles, and moves. So titles is what we're looking for. So go over to this menu in the middle. Now you will be able to find all of the titles available in Cursed Arena. So you have Gradeless, Ratty the Honored Dog, which you can get by default of 0 kills. You have Grade 4 unlocked with 100 kills, Grade 3 with 200 kills, Grade 2 with 600, Grade 1 with 2,400, Special Grade with 5,000, King of Curses with 10,000, Strongest Sorcerer with 20,000, Honored One with 21,500 kills, Strongest Sorcerer of Today with 33,000, and finally Strongest Sorcerer of History with 25,000. So all that you have to do to switch between these titles is to click on them once. So for example, this one that you get by default for just joining the game, already the Honored Dog, you will be able to click and see it equipped. So you just have to click once. You don't even have to confirm. Immediately upon clicking on them, you will see the title equipped and you will be able to switch between them. So if you try to select the title that you don't have, you will see this warning: you don't meet kill requirements, so keep that in mind. But regardless, now you should have the new title equipped and others will be able to see it on you. So all that you have to do is click on this little hat icon, go over to titles, and switch between them here, and you will be able to get all of these. You just have to get more and more kills, and eventually you will be able to get these titles at the bottom. So for you to get kills, just play as a character that you are comfortable with, join a public server, and get going. As you can see, only a small amount of people have Strongest Sorcerer of History. You have to get a lot of kills, and it takes a while. So the number one in the world currently has 34,000. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip titles in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.